Assalamualaikum dear students. Open your social studies page number 65, lesson number 70, in the sky. At night the sky is dark. When it is dark you can see the star. They are very far away. Sometimes you can see the moon. Student, the sky looks like this at night. These are the stars and this is the moon. And you can also see here the sky is dark. In the daytime you can see the sky, it looks blue. You can see white clouds floating by. The sun shines brightly during the day. It gives light and warmth to our planet Earth. Student, the sky looks like this at the daytime. The light is due to the sun. You can see here the clouds. Sometimes the sky is cloudy. Never look directly at the sun. It will hurt your eyes, as we know that sun is the source of natural heat and light, but avoid looking directly at the sun. Birds can fly high up in the sky. Aeroplanes fly even higher. Did you know hot air balloons were invented in France in 1783. The first passenger to travel in a hot air balloon were a sheep, a duck and a rooster. Students, this is your book reading. Now moving towards the questions. Describe what you can see in the sky during the day. Students, what you can see in the sky during the day? Clouds, yes, sun. We can see the sun in the sky during the day. The answer is we can see the sun in the sky during the day. Describe what you can see in the sky at night. The answer is we can see the moon and stars in the sky at night. Question number 3 is our national flag has something you can see at night on it. What is it? Yes, moon and stars. Moving towards the work page, here are some other things we can see in the sky. Write the names and color the pictures. A kite, an aeroplane, a bird, a helicopter. Student, what is it? Yes, this is an aeroplane. This is a kite. It is a bird. And this one is the helicopter. Students, write their names in the space provided. Part B is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is the sky is high dash the earth. The sky is high above the earth. It is dash at night. It is dark at night. We can see the dash and dash only at night. What we can see? Yes, moon and star. Student, part C is look at the diagram and make a paper glider. How far can it glide? Students, by following these steps, you can make a paper glider. Try to do this at your home with the help of your mother and with the help of your teacher. Things you can do. Number 1, draw a picture of the sky and what you can see in it. Number 2, write about the things you can see in the sky. This is your home task, students. Learn this book reading as well as the question and also write the questions in your notebook.